How to select a primary care physician on the BCBSM Mobile App. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to select a primary care physician or change the PCP on the BCBSM Mobile App, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just head over to your application and make sure you're currently logged in with your correct login credentials. So once you successfully log into your account, just head over to your Find Doctor option. So once you select that, you should be redirected to this page where you can just select the first option, that is My Primary Care Physician, from where you can actually view, choose or change the primary care physician for yourself or family. So you can just tap on this particular person if you already have set it up, or you can also tap on View History to see all of your physicians. And if you haven't set it up, you can just tap on the Select Physician and you will be redirected to this page where you can easily refine your results by simply narrowing or filtering out the distance from where you want to point for your physician, and simply provide all of the details mentioned or asked over there. So once you do all of that, simply scroll down and click on this Select PCB option over here and just click on Confirm, and you should be heading over to this page where you will have to provide the reason to choose a new PCP if you are trying to change it, and simply choose any one of these and just click on Change PCP. And just like that, you will be getting a successful screen just like this, where you can easily press on close or cross button at the top to close your process. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.